guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something that is new to me, which is going to be kind of like a vlog where I'm going to be sharing with you my day today. Just to let you know that today is my birthday and my husband.
Happy birthday!
Alright, so my husband's out of town, so we're going to be doing pretty fun things today. So yeah, follow me around and I will keep you posted. With a little bit of meditation, I feel so grateful that I've made it so far in life, in terms of human years, in terms of so many things that I always wanted to do and I was able to do. So utterly grateful for that, to be in this space in my life. So I bought some organic apples and some peppers last night, and I just kind of made these burritos to distribute it today to homeless, the people that I find along the way today. So this is something.
An apple.
Yeah, you can take one. So we're going to be doing that, and I always wanted my birthday to be unconventional, so this is something that is somewhat purposeful to me, to kind of give back, because I think every person is put on this planet to do something that is beneficial to another human. So that's on the cards today, and I just finished these burritos nice and wrapped. I'm going to put one inside, one apple and one banana here, and that is the second one. I'm just going to roll up the rest, and yeah, we'll hit the road. Alright, so we just helped the lady that you saw in the picture. We gave her 2 bags and food, and we still have 4 more bags.
We already distributed four
bags of food, and we were lucky enough to find 2 people here. We might come back in the night because there are more homeless people on Friday nights. So we're just having a few more people to go, so we will try to find them and keep you posted. My battery's kind of dying, so we might get to eat something and charge our phones. All right, so we are. Prem, do you want to come and say hi? Say hi.
I'll just do the password and stuff.
Yeah. Okay, so we are here at the San Rancho Antonio Park, and this is so. Alright, so we are actually at Shopkins right now. We just ordered mushroom pizza and a kale guacamole. Yeah, I think we might go out to Powell to distribute a few of the food bags if we happen to find any homeless out there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed our journey, and my battery is still on. I'm still going to record a few more videos, and it was a great day. We distributed food, went to the high, and gave their food, and winding up for today. So it was a great day. Thank you so much for watching. That's some kale salad. Love this place.